Mm. Good morning, students. This is the explanation for the isotonicity problems. So in the first problem, we have to determine the freezing point lowering. So I have given for the 1% of sodium propionate whose molecular weight is 96 and L-iso values of the sodium chloride is 3.4 and the molar concentration of the 1% sodium propionate is 0.104. Now we have to calculate the freezing point lowering. Freezing point lowering delta TF is equal to L iso into C. So L iso values is equal to 3.4 and the concentration is 0.104. Here the freezing point lowering is 0.35 degrees centigrades. Now in the second problem we have to determine how much quantity of the sodium chloride should be added to 100% of 1% morphine 100 ml of 1% morphine hydrochloride to make isotonic with the body fluids. And here 100% of 1% morphine hydrochloride has a freezing point depression or the freezing point lowering as 0.18 degrees or 0.18. Now here the freezing point lowering of 1% of sodium chloride is 0.58 and freezing point lowering of 0.9% of sodium chloride is 0.52. Now we have to the freezing point lowering of 100 ml of morphine hydrochloride is 0.18, right? To make isotonic for the with the isotonic freezing point lowering is 0.5852 minus 0.18, that is equal to 0.34. Now 0.34 is required to make the 100% of 1% hydrochloride to the isotonic with the body fluids. So 1% of sodium chloride is 0.58 and now we require 0.52 minus 0.18, that is 0.34. How much quantity of the sodium chloride makes 0.34? So 1 by x is equal to 0.58 by 0.34, that is equal to 0.58% of sodium chloride, that is 0.58. 9% of sodium chloride should be 0.58 by 0.34. How much you will get? That will be the answer. Next, third problem is you have to determine the E value, that is equivalent weight. Here you have to go for the sodium chloride equivalent weight. Amphetamine hydrochloride, the molecular weight is 187. Equivalent value that is L iso values of the amphetamine hydrochloride is 3.4. So E is equal to 17 into L iso value. Here L iso value we have to take for the amphetamine hydrochloride. 17 into 3.4 by molecular weight of amphetamine hydrochloride is 187. So 17 into 3.4 by 187, that will be equal to 0.3 grams. Now the fourth problem is again similar to that of the second problem. How much quantity of sodium chloride is required for the 100 ml of 1% paracetamol to make isotonic with the body fluids? Again delta TF of 1% is 0.58. Delta TF of 0.9% is 0.52. Delta TF of 100 ml is 0.29. Now to make isotonic with the body fluids, 0.52 minus 0.29 required to make isotonic with the body fluids. 1% 0.58, x consisting of this value. So x is equal to 0.39. Percentage of sodium chloride is required to make isotonic with the body fluids. Next, fifth problem. So 1 gram of 1% of ephedrine hydrochloride are given. Now how much quantity of sodium chloride should be added? How much quantity of dextrose should be added separately? Now the sodium chloride equivalent of the dextrose ephedrine hydrochloride is 0.23. So 1 gram of the 1 gram of 1% of ephedrine hydrochloride consisting of 1 gram in 100 ml. So 1 gram into 0.23, that is equal to 0.23 grams. So 1 gram of the ephedrine hydrochloride is equal to 0.23 grams of the sodium chloride. Now how much quantity of the sodium chloride is required to make isotonic? 0.9 grams. So already the ephedrine is contributing to 0.23 grams of the sodium chloride. So 0.9 minus 0.23, that is equal to 0.67 grams of sodium chloride should be added to make isotonic with the body fluids. In spite of sodium chloride, now I want to add the dextrose. So here the calculation is nothing. 1 gram of the dextrose is equal to 0.16 grams of sodium chloride. How many grams of the dextrose will be equal to 0.67 grams of sodium chloride? That is equal to 4.2 grams of dextrose is the equal to 0.67 grams of sodium chloride. Next, sixth problem. Again, this is White-Vincent method. 1% of procaine hydrochloride, 1 gram in 100 ml. So 1 gram, I took here 20 ml, right? 1 gram in 100 ml, 20 ml consisting of 0.2 grams. And here the weight is equal to X into sodium chloride equivalent. X is equal to 0.2 grams and the sodium chloride equivalent is equal to 0.21, 0.042 grams. Now volume required is equal to 0.2 into 0.021, that is 111.1. That is nothing but that is equal to 9 by 100. That is now so this is equal so this we got it right, 111.1, that is equal to 4.66 ml. Now again the similar 70 ml, if I take 1 gram in 100 ml, 70 ml is equal to 0.7. 0.7 into 0.21 into 0.11 will get 0.147. 0.147 into 111.1, that is equal to 16.3 ml. Next, eighth, 30 ml of 1% lidocaine, 1 gram 100, 30 ml is equal to 30 by 100, 0.31. Now the weight is equal to 0.31, sodium chloride equivalent weight is equal, this is equal to 0.3. This is equal to 0.3. So 0.3 into 0.31 into 111.1, that is equal to 10. Right. Ninth problem, same. For the lidocaine, you have to calculate delta TF of 1% sodium chloride is 0.58. Delta TF of 0.9% sodium chloride is 0.52. Now we have to calculate for 1% of lidocaine how much quantity of sodium chloride should be added. Sodium cryoscopic method. So here 0.33. So 0.52 minus 0.33. 1 is equal to 0.58. X is equal to 0.52 minus 0.3. T is equal to 0.3% of sodium chloride should be added. 10th. Sodium chloride equivalent method. E is equal to 17. L iso value should be of lidocaine. Without giving this value, how we can calculate? L iso values of lidocaine is equal to 9.7. So 17 into 9.7 by molecular weight is equal to 0.6 grams.